Assalamualaikum YouTube family. Today we're gonna be unboxing my mom's coffee maker she got for her birthday from my grandma and grandpa. Let's start. So now we just gotta do that. Do this. Gotta get that. Now we gotta do the other side. Now it's time to do the actual box. Can't wait to see what's inside, how the coffee maker looks. I hope it looks good. I'm gonna use this side too. Okay, so now that we got it out, I'm going to show you what we have. So first, we have this Green Mountain Nantucket blend. And now we have two of those Nantucket Green Mountain brand breakfast blend. And next, we got the cup that we will put inside there, pop with bubbles. Now I'm going to show you how it looks. So as you can see, you get an extra cup, so like the one I really want, so that I can take it to school. But I'm going to take it eventually from my mom, but I don't really know how to open it, so let's move on. Now we got a big box. Well, no, I'm not going to do the big box yet because it's really heavy. And now we have the 3-month brewer care kit, as you can see right here. And this is the Spanish side, but we don't want to see that. If you're watching the video, you usually know English. So this is their box. I don't know what comes in here. Copperwood wire capsule, probably for the wires. Next, we have a coffee maker. Lastly, we have a coffee maker. So this is how big the coffee maker box is. So now, guys, we are going to just do this. Can't be the best part, but at least I'm doing it. So just now let's open it up. So now we got a wire cup pod new wire care. I can't get it out, so I'm just doing this. Now I'm going to introduce to you the wire kit thingy. I forgot what to say. So I thought it was just wires for it. So now do you want me to open this? Okay. So you guys I saw the comments, you don't want to open it? Let's open this now. So now we gotta, I'm not very good at cutting things. Okay, great. Let's do the other side. Now we just gotta, oh gosh. Now what do you get here? This is the coffee maker I'm about to show you. We just get it out. I'm going to show you how the coffee maker looks and everything. So this was actually a coffee maker kit. like other ones. But I actually like this company because they actually give you hot chocolate. What? Now, take this out. New. I think it's a new one. That's why on that thing it's a new. This thing it says new. That's why it's new. Like it's the newest coffee maker they made so far. Well, I know this coffee maker company. My aunt had one like this. Two of my aunts. I think one of my aunts has it back at St. Louis right now, and one of them has it. Oh wait, maybe they sold it. Probably, I don't know. But this is the coffee maker. Now, guys, we are gonna. Now what should I do? What do you think I should do? And it's the newest model coffee maker. So these are the designs, and I'm pretty sure it should come with this cup. Cause, well, I don't think if they're gonna come with any cup, but I think they're gonna come with multiple. But it also says the American leading coffee brands. Starbucks, Dunkin', Green Mountain, Floggers, Peels Coffee, Donut Shop Coffee, Javilla Cafe, Nutmeg's Own Originix, and I don't know the rest, but the only one I know how to pronounce is McCafe. So now it's time to look at this. So this is a 3-month care kit. So you can, as you can see here, you can clean and care for your Keurig brewer, removes minor buildup, fills water, better tasting beverages. Next, I want to show you the Green Mountain. Remember, I read this in this, and this is breakfast blend, light toast, bright, crisp, clean. So also they have shout out up there. And this video is sponsored by whatever this company's name is. Next, we're gonna move on to the Necklace Blend, medium roast, full bodied, community hearty. Peel, easy peels, and they have something to can help you. Now we're gonna go to the cup. We have a cup here. I don't know what to open still. I'm gonna try to open it right away. At this moment, if you guys want to see it more about this thing and a test out, then you can do it in the comments. But this is a coffee cup. They also have the thing that you get on Dunkin' cups. And I'm taking this from my mom. Next we have this the stand for those thingies. So they have many thingies like the Dunkin' Donut ones, and they have Green Mountain, Lightning Man, all those shout outs. And also, that's the sponsor, just to remind you. And make sure, if you really, really want one of these, go to this app. But I won't stop on this topic, and soon I'm gonna be unboxing these thingies that were in those boxes. But for now, make sure that you hit the bell icon and subscribe. Watch the video of me updating it, and if you want it, post it in the comments. Make sure to comment your favorite coffee. Bye.